What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Eagle Eye FX. So I'll be teaching you guys on how to trade QM patterns and how to actually identify the QM patterns. So basically I'm going to show you on synthetics, and also I'll be showing you on how to trade them on currency. So basically a QM pattern is when the market gives you a break of structure, all right, then a change of character, then it gives you some sort of like a retest, then it continues. So we have this level, this is our break of structure, so this is our BOS, that's a break of structure. So the market breaks this level over here. Okay, so let's increase this a bit so you can be able to see. So we have our BOS, and then we have our change of character over here. So let's call that change of character, right, like that. So we have our change of character, then we're gonna trade at this level over here. And then also on the opposite is true, so the market will be on a lower lows. Then we have this break of structure over there, then we have the market breaks this change of character, then it retraces to this level, then it moves to there, then it moves to the upside. So we're gonna be looking to trade in these levels over here. So basically this is what, guys, I'll be showing you. So we have our break of structure over here, and we have our change of character over here. This is our change of character over there. Then once the market reaches in this level, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. So basically that's what I'll be showing you guys on this channel. All right, so I want to show you, and then another thing we have to also be conscious of, we have to be conscious of support and resistance. That is going to be very key. Support and resistance, and also we're gonna also be market, let's say market trend, right? And by market trend I mean either is it ascending, either it's an ascending or a descending market. So these are also two things that are gonna be acting very key. We're gonna be using this a lot to be able to identify that. So the first thing I want to show you on volatility 101S. So you can see here the market has been on an uptrend. All right, so this is a 4-hour time frame. The market has been on an uptrend. All right, and then I also forgot to mention, the guys, that we're gonna be using one indicator called the awesome oscillator, right? The awesome oscillator. Now the awesome oscillator is actually a leading indicator. It's a leading indicator, which means that it gives you, it's not a lagging indicator. It means that it gives you the signal ahead of time. So those are the three things we're gonna be considering in this strategy. So you can see here that the market has been on an uptrend, but now we want to see how we could have been able, to catch this move in this level over here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see here what's happening. What is happening over here? We can see. Remember, we are looking for break of structure, and then change of character. So you can see here that the market has been giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows approaching this level, lower lows and lower highs. Then it went up, then came back, then it went up again. All right, so what is happening over here? You can see that number one, we have our break of structure over there. All right, and then number two, we have our change of character over there. So what we do is that, for be able to identify and to see it properly, we're gonna be changing this into a line chart. So from the line chart, you can see the break of structure here. We can see the change of character. Then we wait for the market to do what? To retest. So what you do is that you're gonna connect this low to this low, and then also we are going to connect this high to that high over there. Then we wait for the market to come all the way to this level over here. Then on this level, that is when we enter our trade. So let's go back to our candlestick, and you can see what actually happened over here. We had our lower lows, and we have our highs connected over there, right? What happens is that you can see the market came all the way to tap this level, and then this could have been the place whereby you could have entered your trade over there. Maybe place your stop loss just below, somewhere around there, and then maybe even target that high over there. You can see that this actually just play out. And you can see that also here, you can see that in this level over here, after the market gave us this lower low over here, you can see that the awesome oscillator actually gave us a what? Gave us our higher low. So you see that lower low, and then you have a higher low. So that is our divergence over there. So this is just a first example. I will be showing you guys more examples of this. So if you found this video to be useful, you can actually remember to follow us. If you want to join my free Telegram channel, you can click on the link on the bio of this channel. And also, if you want to talk to me, or if you want to reach out to me, you can actually reach out to me on Telegram. I also have I also have a student group whereby I share setups, and whereby I also share ongoing assistance. So if you also like to join, you can reach out to me on that.